हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू दिस क्लास। ओके, तो आज हम लोग बात करने वाले हैं कलेक्शन ऑफ रिवीजन मोस्ट एक्सपेक्टेड सीरीज के अंदर गैमेटोजेनेसिस, मेंस्ट्रुअल साइकिल ऑफ फर्टिलाइजेशन और एंड इम्प्लांटेशन के ऊपर। ओके, सो द नाउ वी हैव टू चूज द क्वेश्चन नंबर 30. Okay, so which of the following hormone is level will be cause release of the ovum ovulation from the Graafian follicles? Okay, so tell me the hormone level will be cause release of the ovum, that is also known as the ovulation from the Graafian follicle, is that is what is the high concentration of estrogen. This is a high concentration of estrogen. Okay students, so you can see here the explanation of these questions. Basically here you can see this is high level of estrogen here. So now the student, we can go to the question 31. Okay, student, so now question 31, match the following column and select the correct options. Placenta, zona pellucida, bulbourethral gland, Leydig cell. Okay, here the column 2, androgen, human chorionic gonotrophins, layer of the ovum, lubrication. So now tell me what is the option of it. So as we know that here is the placenta. So basically the placenta having what secrete the human chorionic gonadotropin. Okay, so the placenta secrete this HGC, and the zona pellucida is the primary egg membrane secondary by the secondary oocyte. Okay, so the secrete bulbourethral gland. So basically option here C are the more appropriate. You can see there the option placenta A belong to these two. Okay, and then nothing is having. So the B third. So zona pellucida having layer of ovum. Okay, and the C, that is bulbourethral gland having a bulbourethral gland have lubrication, not panish helping no Leydig cell from the androgen. So you can choose the best option of it. Okay, now the student, we are going to the next topics, that is new questions here. 32, select the correct sequence of the events: gametogenesis, gamete transfer, syngamy, zygote, cell differentiation, cell division, that is also known as a cleavage, and organogenesis. And so that gametogenesis, gamete transfer, syngamy, zygote, cell division, which is also cleavage, cell differentiation, and organogenesis. Also C option we have gametogenesis, gamete transfer, syngamy, zygote, cell division, cleavage, organogenesis, cell differentiation. And also we have the option D, gametogenesis, syngamy, gamete transfer, zygote, cell division. So what is the best option here? You can, if you are studied deeply, then you can give the answer of it. So as you know students, so the correct sequence of the event are as follows, that is what. So this is like that: we have gametogenesis, gamete transfer, syngamy, zygote, and also we having cell division, and then cell differentiation, then organogenesis. This is the last stage of the organogenesis, formation of organ system. There is an organ. So basically here we can say that again. Okay, gametogenesis is the formation of gamete, that is a sperm, and ovum formation is known as a gametogenesis. Okay student, through the spermatogenesis, the spermatogenesis and oogenesis, formation of ova, oogenesis, formation of sperm is spermatogenesis respectively. So also we can say that here the gamete transfer is the process of bring together of the male and female gamete for the fertilization, fusion of the gamete, male and female gamete. So respectively here, syngamy is the fusion of the gametes and leading to the formation of zygote. Yes, zygote formation here. And also cleavage is the repeated, that is a meiotic. Okay, cell division called the differentiation refer to the specialization of the cell to perform the specific function. Okay, also we can know that the organogenesis is the formation of organ. Yes, body part, organ. Okay, so the best option here to be the option B. Okay, student. Now the next we have to go to the question number 33. Okay, no nerve follicles develop in the luteal phase. Okay, so the menstrual cycle, because why? Because why? The ovulation is followed by luteal phase. So the best option has a FSH and LS. Follicular stimulating hormone and luteinizing hormone are the low in the luteal phase. Okay, okay, student. So we can explain here. So basically, there is ovulation is followed by the luteal phase. Okay, so during which the corpus luteum secrete estrogen and progesterone hormone. So that extract native feedback on the hypothalamus, which is a turn inhibit the release of FSH, follicular stimulating hormone, and luteinizing hormone. So this prevents the development of new follicle during the luteal phase. So the best option here is that the option A. Okay, student, we have to go to the question 34. Okay, the difference between spermiogenesis and spermiation. This is a simple definition which is given in RNCERTs. So the difference between the spermiogenesis and spermatogenesis. So we have to read carefully. So in spermiogenesis, spermids are formed, while in the spermiation, spermatozoa are formed. Okay. Next option, in spermiogenesis, spermatozoa are formed, while spermiation, spermatids are formed. Okay. Next, the spermiogenesis, spermatozoa are formed, while the spermiation, spermatozoa are released from the Sertoli cell into the cavity of the seminiferous tubules. And the option D and the last option here. In the spermatogenesis, spermatozoa are formed, Sertoli cell are released into the cavity of the seminiferous tubule, while in spermiation, spermatozoa are formed. So what is the best option of it here? So basically we can say that here to be option C are more correctable here. Why it is occur? Because in spermatogenesis, spermatozoa are formed. Okay, spermatozoa are also known as a sperm. Okay, while in spermiation, spermatozoa are released from the Sertoli cell into the cavity of seminiferous tubule. So the best option is here, option C. Now the next 35. So match the items given in the columns 1 with those in the column 2. So select the correct option given in the belows. Okay, student. So what is the proliferative phase, secretory phase, menstruation phase, and whole breakdown of the endometrium lining, follicle phase, and luteal phase. So what is here? So you can see there very easily here. So basically this option is more correct. You can see the belongs to this. Okay, because why? In proliferative phase, the follicles start developing, called the follicular phase. Secretory phase is also called the luteal phase. You know, mainly controlled by the progesterone secreted by corpus luteum. Menstruation involve the breakdown of your overgrowth endometrium lining. Okay, so the option is here. D option is more correct. Okay, student. Now we go to the question 34th. Okay, this. So question 36. Fertilization is the human fertilization in human is practically feasible only if. Hello. Listen here. Fertilization in human practically feasible only if the sperms are transported into the vagina adjusted with the release of the ovum into the fallopian tube. Okay. The ovum and the sperms are transported simultaneously to the ampullary ischemic junction of the fallopian tubes. Option C. The ovum and the sperms are transported simultaneously to the ampullary ischemic junctions of the cervix. And option D. The sperms are transported into the cervix within 40 hours of the release of the ovum into the uterus. So I hope you understand betterly here. So basically what is the option here to be done? So whenever we are talking about this, so the word ampulla is derived from Latin word flasks. Okay, being the second portion of the fallopian tube, it is the intermediate dilated portion which is immediately curved over the ovary. Okay, so this is the common site of the human fertilization as both the ovum and sperms are simultaneously transported here. Okay, so the option B is more correct. The ovum and sperms are transported simultaneously to ampullary stomach junction to the fallopian tube. Okay. Question 37. Select the incorrect option. Okay. So tell me, student, FS stimulate the Sertoli cells, which is help in the spermiogenesis. LH triggers the ovulation in ovary. LH and FSH decrease the gradually during the fallopian follicular phase, and LH triggers the secretion of androgen from the Leydig cell. Okay, so the best option here is that what LH and FSH LH and FSH decrease the gradually during the follicular phase. Okay, student, you can see there here. This is student here. This. Okay, student. Now next, go to the question 38. Which of the following cells during the gametogenesis is normally diploid? Having answer you have? Tell me. So basically when a spermatogonium, okay, is a diploid and contain 46 chromosome. You know, some of the spermatogonia called primary spermatocyte periodically undergo the meiosis, and primary spermatocytes complete the first meiotic division, that is also known as a meiotic division, reduction division. So that's lead to the formation of the two equal haploid cell called the secondary spermatocytes that have only 23rd chromosome. तो बात करते हैं हम लोग, क्या कोशिश ऐसी करो कि हारते हारते कब जीत जाओ पता भी ना चले. Hello future doctors, let's get started to the question 38. Which of the following cell during the gametogenesis is normally diploid? So the primary polar body is diploid basically here, and then nothing here. Now the question 39. Which one of the following event is not associated with the ovulation in human female? Tell me. Full development of Graafian follicle, release of the secondary oocyte, LH cells, and the decrease in the stridal. Okay, tell me. So what is the answer having here? The decrease in the stridal. Okay, because why? Yes, I can explain here very easily. So basically here, ovulation takes place in the middle of the cycle, about 14th day of the menstrual cycle, you know. So, and during the phase, increase in the level of estrogen hormone trigger the rapid secretion of LS from the pituitary gland to to its maximum level during the mid cycle, called the LS surge. Okay, so that induces the rupture of the Graafian follicles, and release of the ovum, that is also ovulation known as. So I hope, student, you are understand very betterly from me. Now this is very important, which is 2015 questions are asked in our medical college. Okay, medical pre-medical test, not college. Okay, to go to the question 40. So in human female, meiosis 2 is not completed until fertilization, for because the no fusion of the male and female gamete, no fertilization occur, and no meiosis 2 is completed. So this is very simple thing. Meiosis 2 is does not complete until fertilization occur in the human females. Okay, so you have to understand very easily it. Now to go to the question 41. Select the correct option describing the gonadotropin activity in the normal pregnant female. Okay, so basically it is nothing